how to get your Instagram QR code on mobile, how you can access your QR code on mobile. Hey everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel, How to Browser. In this video I'll walk you through the entire process, so step by step. And now please guys, watch this video till the very end because you don't want to miss any step. And if you're new to my YouTube channel, please consider subscribing because I'm trying to provide you with great solutions for the problems you may have online. So if that's an interest for you, please consider subscribing. Now without further ado, let's jump right into the video. So what you need to do guys right now is to head over to Instagram and now go to your profile, and now all you need to do is to tap on these three lines that they're here. So tap on these three lines right there. And now, as you can see, we have settings here, archive, get insights, your activity, and what we want is QR code. So please now guys tap on QR code, and here you have your QR code. From here you can also change the emoji, you can take a selfie, these different emojis, colors. If you can change the emoji as well. Another thing that you can do, you can tab on here, you can share the link, you can also scan QR code, and so take a screenshot, and you can share your screenshot with anybody else, or you can tap on this icon. From here you can share your QR code. For now it's not working for me, for you it could work, I don't know exactly, but I hope it will work for you guys. So that's the end of the video. I hope this video helped you. If it did, please drop a like and subscribe to my YouTube channel for more how-to videos. See you in the next one. Take care.